Michigan combating a surge of COVID infections. This week, Michigan hit a new pandemic record in hospitalizations, a number that the CDC expects to grow even higher over the coming weeks.
And with that surge, healthcare workers are feeling the pressure. TV5's Kendall Keys spoke with one hospital about how it's responding to this rise.
Michigan hitting a pandemic peak, the highest amount of hospitalized adults with COVID-19, almost 4,200.
There is that sort of feeling of, when is this ever going to stop?
Dr. Norman Chapin, the chief medical officer for McLaren's Bay and Thumb regions, says they're feeling the pressure.
In our COVID census, for a long time we were around 25 or 30, and now we've almost doubled that up to 60.
He says staffing shortages coupled with an influx of patients is upping the stress level.
We're licensed for 400 beds, and right now our census is around 270.
Chapin says even though they have enough beds to fit 400 patients, they don't have the staff to manage that amount.
Our capacity to actually admit patients based on our staffing levels and those kinds of things is probably closer to 290 or 300 patients.
He says it's mirroring the early days and initial waves of the pandemic, but now discharges are more difficult.
Especially those patients who need skilled nursing facilities, long-term acute care hospitalizations, because those facilities are at their capacity. So it's kind of backing up upstream.
Chapin hopes the public resorts to the measures that work to stop the spread, the vaccine, PPE, but assures they'll still be there when the hospital is necessary.
People will need us. They'll need the hospital. And we're working diligently to make sure that that resource is ready for them.
Kendall Keys, WNEM TV5.
State and federal health officials are urging people to get vaccinated and to wear masks in public settings to limit the spread amid this latest surge.